So here we are, almost at the middle of March, and it's getting ever closer to the 5th of April, after which your options for saving tax in the current year are much more limited. Number 5 in our tax planning countdown, something so quick and simple that you may not even have thought of it. And on top of that, we're throwing in a second tip today, 2 for the price of 1, buy 1, get 1 free. What I want to speak about today is making the best use of your personal allowances. The first £11,000 of your income is exempt from tax. That's £22,000 for a couple. That's a tax saving of £4,400 even to basic rate taxpayers. Have you maximised your allowances? Here are some ideas of how you can make the best use of your allowances. Can you pay an additional wage to yourself? Can you pay a wage to your spouse or partner? Do they work in your business? Could you declare a dividend in excess of the £5,000 dividend allowance, using up some of your personal allowances? Could you pay interest on a loan? For partnerships, what's the most efficient profit sharing arrangements? And for farmers, can you make use of averaging to effectively move profits between years and make use of allowances that might have been missed in earlier years? When it comes to paying wages, we're now into March, which is the final month of the PAYE calendar. Could you pay an annual wage? But watch out for the national insurance limits, and bear in mind that the limits work differently for directors. So here is our bonus tip for this week, and it's all about maximising the benefit of the national insurance nil rate band. Coincidentally, this will also help with using up your personal allowances. As many of you will realise, the thresholds for national insurance are more complicated than for tax. There's annual, monthly and weekly thresholds. Annually, it's £8,060, monthly £762. So in your March payroll, can you put through some extra to maximise your national insurance nil rate band? What you can pay will depend in part on your status. Directors can get paid weekly, monthly or annually. Could you take out an annual salary of £8,060 just in March? Non-directors can get an annual salary provided they're not weekly or monthly paid, because for them the weekly or monthly thresholds will take effect. Don't forget the company will get tax relief on these payments, so there is a bonus for the company as well as to yourselves. As always, this is just a quick review. But if any of the points that I've raised stirred some interest, please get in touch. I'm Alan Long from the Long Partnership, making life less taxing.